In this video, we will be using the JPEG's NFT Marketplace and the core wallet extension to interact with NFTs. As a disclaimer, JPEGs and NFTs featured in this video are not affiliated with Ava Labs in any way. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the core wallet extension installed and that the wallet is unlocked. Next, you will click on the Connect Wallet button, choose Core. You may need to choose Core again, but then it should connect. Next, navigate to the page of the collection you want to interact with. Once you are on the collection page, you can scroll through the currently listed NFTs. You have an option to add to cart to buy in bulk later, or you can click on the purple buy button to buy it immediately. Choose which balance you would like to pay from and click buy. Click on approve, and then you will see the transaction was successful. You can close the pop-up and now see that your purchase was successful. Now, to list the item for sale, you can click on the fixed price button and enter the amount you would like to sell it for and the duration the sale will be available for. Click on list, sign the transaction, and you will now see that the item has been listed. If you click on view item, you can now see an option to cancel the listing. If you click on cancel listing and approve the transaction, once the transaction is successful and the page refreshes, you will see the option to list the NFT for sale again. Now we will look at how to bid on an NFT. Scroll through the NFTs and choose one you like. Instead of clicking the Buy Now button, click on the Make an Offer button. To make an offer on an NFT, you will need wrapped AVAX in your wallet. If you do not already have some in your wallet, you can click on the Swap to Wrapped AVAX button and facilitate a one-for-one trade from your AVAX to wrapped AVAX. If you already have wrapped AVAX in your wallet, you can enter a price that you would like to bid on and choose the duration that the offer is available for. Click on Make an Offer, sign the transaction, and you will see that your offer has been submitted. If you scroll down on the page, you will see your new offer. If you would like to cancel the offer, click on Cancel Offer, approve the transaction. Once it is successful and you close the pop-up, you will see that your order has been canceled and there is no longer an offer available.